Wood trim. Accent wall ideas. Are you looking to elevate your home decor and add a touch of character to your walls? Wood trim accent walls are a fantastic way to introduce texture, warmth, and style to any room. Whether you're going for a rustic farmhouse vibe, a modern minimalist aesthetic, or something uniquely your own, wood trim can transform a mundane wall into a stunning focal point. In today's video, we'll explore 7 genius wood trim accent wall ideas that will spark your creativity and inspire you to create a captivating backdrop in your home. From simple DIY projects to intricate designs, we've got something for everyone. So grab your tools and let's get started. And remember, if you enjoy this content, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment about which idea you're excited to try. Vertical paneling. One of the most popular and versatile options, vertical paneling instantly adds height to any room. Choose wide boards for a bold statement or narrow strips for a more subtle look. Paint them in a soft hue or leave them natural for a classic feel. This style works wonderfully in living rooms, bedrooms, or even hallways. Geometric patterns. If you're feeling adventurous, consider creating a geometric accent wall. Use various sizes and shapes of wood trim to create a stunning design. This idea not only adds visual interest, but also serves as a unique artistic statement. Experiment with different stain colors to enhance the effect. Board and batten. A timeless choice, board and batten involves installing wide boards vertically with narrow strips, battens, placed over the seams. This technique adds depth and dimension, making it perfect for entryways or dining rooms. You can paint the trim in a contrasting color to make it pop, or use a single color for a more cohesive look. Crown molding accents. Elevate your walls with crown molding accents. Installing a decorative crown molding trim at the top of your wall can create an elegant transition from wall to ceiling. This classic detail works particularly well in formal spaces like dining rooms or studies, adding a sophisticated touch. Shiplap panels. Embrace the farmhouse charm with shiplap panels. This easy-to-install wood trim can be painted or stained to suit your style. Create a cozy atmosphere in bedrooms or living rooms by using shiplap as an accent wall. For an extra touch, consider adding floating shelves to display decor or plants. Ledge wall. Create a functional and stylish ledge wall with wood trim. Install a series of narrow ledges at different heights to showcase your favorite books, plants, or artwork. This idea not only adds character, but also provides a great way to personalize your space and keep it organized. Rustic barn door style. For a unique twist, why not mimic the look of a rustic barn door on your wall? Using wide boards and horizontal trim, you can create a statement piece that embodies a cozy farmhouse aesthetic. Add a pop of color to the trim or keep it natural for that authentic barn feel. And there you have it. 7 genius wood trim accent wall ideas that can transform your home from ordinary to extraordinary. Whether you opt for a classic board and batten look, a bold geometric pattern, or a charming shiplap installation, each of these ideas offers a unique way to enhance your living space. Wood trim adds not only beauty but also warmth and character, making your home feel more inviting and personalized. So, which idea are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching and happy decorating. Your next home project awaits.